So first go through the definition here. When the same molecular formula represent two or more compounds which differ in the nature of the carbon chain, state or branch, then such compounds are known as chain isomers, and the phenomenon is called the chain isomerism. Example here, I am going to join four carbon atom in the main like this. Each carbon atom joined by the four. I am covering this with the hydrogen atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, all carbon get complete 4 valencies. This is the complete structure of the one compound. In a different manner, the same number of carbon atom and same number of hydrogen atom we can arrange. 1, 2, 3 carbon atom and 4th carbon atom here. Now complete the valency of each carbon atom. Both compound have the same formula. How many carbon? 4, means same molecular formula but different structures. That is the example of the chain isomerism. Can we draw for the C5H12? This is the assignment for today. You draw the possible structures for the C5H12